See, this is some Florida stuff right here. It's sunny outside and still raining. Doesn't make any damn sense.
Hey, 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 ice, drip, white, wrist, bad, bitch, she, thick.
Y'all taking this drive from home from Copart shit too serious. Yo, I can't believe that. That car is destroyed. Well, this thing just keeps getting better and better. Now it's just stuck on initializing device. Good morning, guys. It is time for another mod. I actually think this one's a little overdue. You know, I've had this truck almost going on 2 months now, and one of the things that we haven't done is tint. Let me wide angle this out. There we go. That's a little bit better. Now, this came from GM or Chevy with a factory tint. Now, this is like in the glass. Now, this is what they call 15%. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to add another 15 back here, which should bring us down to 5%. And I'm going to 15% the front. Now, I know people are going to say, but that's illegal. Look, you got to pay to play, man. We're also going to go ahead and put a strip on the very front of the truck so you guys will be able to see that. And yes, I will give it a bath. I know it looks filthy. So anyways, I just wanted you guys to get a look at it and see it before. And then you guys will get to see it after. And major shout out to the people here at Tint King down here in Palm Beach, Florida for getting this in. They're actually doing the entire job here. You guys should definitely go check them out if you happen to be around here in the area. So this is what it looks like now, and then you guys will get to see what it looks like when it's complete. So there goes the truck again. I'm literally walking, and this damn coconut falls from the tree. This is how you know you're in South Florida. Coconuts just falling, busting out the damn trees. Damn. All right, I guess we're gonna go over here to Boston Market. Or maybe I'll walk a little farther and hit the IHOP up so we can get some food while we got a couple hours to sit and wait. They said about 2 hours to do the tint. So I'm going to sit and wait and see what they do. Let them get that done. And then we'll keep it moving. Did someone literally just dump a jet ski over there? You guys to be kidding me. It looks that way. It does. It definitely looks that way. Yo, I mean, Florida, right? Sorry, I know the camera's everywhere, guys. Florida. Oh boy. Or maybe that's part of the restaurant theme. It is. There's a seafood restaurant here, so I'm guessing that is the seafood restaurant theme. Let me shut up. I see another jet ski right here. I'm thinking somebody dumped the jet ski. They just out here. Wow. Hey, what's up, guys? We're looking at this XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film. You guys have seen this. If you guys remember the Tesla or the M5, I had like those clear bras. You almost can't even see this thing on this. And they have this entire Denali, this entire truck wrapped in this. And it like eliminates, especially if you've seen the Tahoe already where I got some of the swirls and stuff in the paint or we're going for paint correction. You can see on this, it just hides everything. And it gives that nice clear look to the paint. So if that's something you guys want to see, let me know and I might get the entire Tahoe wrapped with this. You guys can see the Mamba sitting here in the shop getting done. So they're not messing around. They're knocking these things out left and right, man. I appreciate them though. They're taking a lot of time making sure they get everything done right on the truck. They got the strip on the windshield done and the rest of the tint around the truck, so it's gonna be interesting. Can't wait to see it when it's finished. All right, guys, you guys are gonna get to see the Mamba here for the first time, rolling out with the new tint. Oh yeah, look at how much darker them windows are. Oh yeah, that thing looks like a beast. Oh man, hell yeah. That is what I'm talking about right there. All right, so you guys are basically waiting for the premiere, right? Now look at how much darker, look how much darker the tint is. Now it came with a stock tint, now it's like blacked out here. You can see here, darked out here, and even up front, you can see it has that really nice dark color, but you can barely see through the front, which I like. And we got the strip up at the top. Look at the strip up here at the top. You can see it. So now I got that glare defender crap, you know, like when the sun's right in my face late in the day. Now she's blacked out. Now she's blacked out as far as the windows go. Now the windows, you can see, like I can see like some of the bubbly stuff or whatever in here from where they applied it. Now the windows can't be rolled down for a couple of days. I understand that, so we won't be doing that. And next thing I need to do is black out all of this. So I went to a shop to try to get an estimate to wrap and or paint to color match the truck. I want to black the whole thing out. And basically I was told they can't paint it. Damn, this thing is getting worse, man. Paint will not stick to this. So I'm going to have to do something different, and I don't know what that's going to be yet. I may even just replace this whole grill with an aftermarket thing and then have these strips painted and hope for the best, but we'll see. Anyways, just wanted to give you guys the first reveal. We'll go give you guys an inside look here in just a few minutes, but I got a premiere to do and you guys are waiting for me. We're here. You see what I got over there. You might have seen the teaser on Instagram. So time to get these installed. If you also noticed, look at the tint. Look at the tint. It's super dark in the truck. All right, guys. So the tuner has now been updated, supposedly. All right, we got a level 3 tune installed. Let me put my seatbelt on before this thing starts snitching on me. You see we got the tint done. Now those are the wheels. We haven't got the wheels and tires done yet, but they are going to be done. If you've seen a little bit of the preview on Instagram, you already know what they're going to look like. Damn, look at them super swampers right there, though. Oh. All right. So supposedly, active fuel management is now disabled. Okay. Let me clean off the lens on this VO. All right, there we go. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out, and we're going to see if it actually disabled active fuel management. Here we go. Now the thing is, we don't want it going into V4 mode at all. We want instant power, which I see I'm getting a nice little bit there. All right. So the big thing is it going to drop down to 4-cylinder mode at idle? So we're at, yep, there it is. Same thing. All right, well, that solved that problem. Active fuel management still works, and I just left the shop and I didn't even get half a mile down the road. Unbelievable, man. You know, I don't know what else to do, man. I don't know what else to do. I guess I gotta buy one of these stupid end ranges, because, you know, you guys saw the last 2 updates. You saw the first one where this wasn't doing anything, then they unlocked it, they got it to work. And I mean, there's some things that I see that the tuner is doing. Like, it is removing the throttle limiter for when it's parked if I want to rev the motor, right? and I am assuming, I don't know this for fact, wink wink, that it does eliminate the speed limiter, but it is not removing the active fuel management. Because look, when I get here and I'm coasting down the road and we're driving, it eventually drops back in to that stupid 4-cylinder shit, and there it is. It's not, this is what I never ever under any circumstances want this friggin' thing to go into that mode, and yet it's still doing it. Ugh.
50 years, you can give them anything in between.
There it is, V4, V8. Still working, still active fuel management.
Differ because of a difference of opinion about the application of a technical guidelines enhancement.
So I got to give a major shout out to Full Wheel Parts. Let me tell you why I haven't returned this tuner yet. Because they have spent all of the time trying to get this right. Like, they've offered. They were like, yeah, you know, we could just give your money back. But I also know, as somebody that does business, that also reflects negatively on that store's bottom line. Now, you might say, why would I give a rat's ass about a corporate company? The snitching seatbelt thing. Why would I care about a corporate company, blah, blah, blah? If it doesn't work, return it, right? I know it's something as simple as they just have to figure out the tune, and they will eventually figure it out. It is amazing to me that Edge Products, somebody that manufactures these tuners, after all of this time, you know, like, it's not like this is a 2019 Tahoe. That means this thing became available. It came out in 2018, right? Around August, September. So this thing's been out for a couple years. How do you not have somebody, or how do you not have a tune, a complete tune for this vehicle? Or how do you know that active fuel management, when there's companies like N-Range and stuff where you can literally just plug straight in on this and ride this out? You know what I'm saying? I don't know, man. But major shout out to Full Wheel Parts, you know, in West Palm Beach, for taking the time and putting in the effort to get this right. I respect the crap out of somebody for that. They don't got to do that. You know what I'm saying? And I know they got other things to do, and it's a pain in the ass. But like the manager said, nah, man, you spent $800 on this thing. We gotta, you know, we'll spend whatever time we need to get it right. Now, I bet you something else. I bet you Full Wheel Parts, when it comes to the next person that comes in with a GM product, talks about, hey, I want to get a tuner. I know they're not going to be looking at Edge Products. It's just not going to happen. So I'm hoping that Edge Products gets it right. I'm giving them the opportunity to do it. And now I have to return this by a certain timetable. So they've now pulled more information from my truck, which they got out of this tuner. And now we're going to see what they do to disable active fuel. The whole purpose, and I know people are going to say, you're crazy for spending $800 on something to disable something that you could have bought something for $200 to do. The whole purpose of me doing that was not only just disabling active fuel management, but maybe I wanted to delete the speed limiter. Maybe I wanted to do other stuff. So that's the other reason I purchased a tuner. Maybe sometimes, you know, if we're out there and somebody wants to get into some tug of war or something, maybe I want to flash a performance tune on it and put a rope on the back of this thing and go to town. Maybe I want to have fun with that, because that's what this truck was supposed to be. Something for me to have fun with. But the fact that the 4-cylinder mode is still here and it hasn't deleted is beyond aggravating to me. It's I can't tell you how frustrating it is to pay for something. Like I said, I make the equivalence of, it's like buying a brand new iPhone. You got the brand new iPhone, but you can't make any phone calls with it. You can't get on the internet with it. You just have to look at it, turn on. It looks pretty, but it doesn't do anything. Most people wouldn't be patient with it. Now, I know y'all going to say, TK, you're crazy. You're ultra patient. I can't believe you're that patient. That's some BS. I would not take that. And I understand where y'all are coming from, and I appreciate all that. But yeah, nah, I'm good. You know, I'm not stressing about it. I'm gonna give them the opportunity, because I don't want to see the store get burned. That's the kind of dude I am. You know. Now, most people can't afford to just drop $800 and not care. It's not hurting my pockets. So I'm willing to wait. And hey, it's content, right? Anyways, we're heading out of town this evening. I'm loading up the truck and getting a move on. I got to run up to Washington, D.C. and then some time in North Carolina. And then you guys will see me in Oklahoma City coming soon. Anyways, stay tuned. More stuff coming. Oh, the tint. The tint is amazing. It looks good. I do see the little bubbles and imperfections in it, but they said I'm gonna see that for like 24. Damn, this ratting ass system. I'm gonna take dude's tip that gave me in the chat earlier. I'm gonna pull that damn fuse. But all right, let me see if I can unplug it so you guys can see. I don't know if y'all be able to see any of the imperfections on camera. Probably not. But there's like little like distortions and imperfections in it that should go away. Let me stop here and get something to drink. That should go away after 24 to 48 hours. They basically said don't put your windows down for 3 days. So I won't do that. I'm going to listen to them. I got a lifetime warranty. I do like my new sun visor across the top. I'm a fan. I'm enjoying it. Damn, am I enjoying it. What do we got? What is this, diesel? Oh, okay. Man, gas is going down here. I'm kind of surprised. All right, so there you have it. Tint is installed. The next thing you're going to see is new grill, new rims, new lights. Like, I'm about to mod the crap out of this truck. So if you haven't done it already, click the thumbs up button and subscribe if you want to see this thing completely get built out. If I can use proper English. And then maybe I might do something wild. I might give this truck away. I don't know. We'll see. I might make enough money in revenue on videos from this truck that I'll just give it up. Give it to somebody. And do it again. That's what the purpose of the channel is, right? Build cars. Let's get into it.